Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market import. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting, this will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of import, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. The next product on my list is different vegetable products, fruits and vegetable products. Fruits and vegetable products. Even though this country is about 85 million people, is spending $43 billion to import different kind of fruits and vegetable products. Let's take them one by one. The highest on the list is coffee. Understandably so. They are in an environment where that is required. Why? Because in that environment, they need a lot of heat because of the cold. So they are spending a lot on coffee. You know, I export to Europe, pap, and the demand for pap also is high during winter because of the cold. Rapeseed, 9.08%. Coffee is 11.8%. Soybeans, 5.5%. Vegetables, 4.9%. Nuts, 4.76%. Mushroom, corn, cotton, other live plant, 4.25%. Fruits, other fruit, 4.2%. Tomato, 3.9%. Wheat, 3.7%. Citrus, 3.3%. Corn, 3.2%. Cut flours, 2.94%. Banana, out of 1.7% of the 43 billion is for banana. That means this country is spending almost $1 billion to import banana. Vegetable sap, 1.7%. Apple and pear, 1.55%. Frozen vegetable, 1.52%. Soy seed, 1.37%. Cucumber, 1.91%. Grape, 1.88%. Frozen fruit and nut, 1.82%. Pitted fruit, 1.81%. Tropical fruit, 1.72%. Melon, 1.25%. Barley, 1.11%. Lettuce, 1.1%. Rice, 1.07%. Perfume plant, 1.06%. Coconut, Brazil, and cashew nut, 1.01%. Sunflower, 0.89%. Dry vegetable, 0.68%. Starch, 0.85%. Cabbage, 0.82%. Onion, 0.81%. Root vegetable, 0.55%. Tea, 0.54%. I guess there's a lot of production of tea in this country. because tea import is very low compared to coffee import. Pepper, 0.54%. Dry legumes, 0.46%. Groundnut, 0.39%. Spices, 0.5%. This country is spending 43 billion to import different kinds of fruits and vegetables.